Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number. So first let's open Google and then type in gmail.com. Now on the upper right part of the screen where it says in here Google account, click on this and then you'll click add another account. And then here you'll have an option to create account. So we want to do that. So click this and click for my personal use. So we'll put the first and last name. So let's say this one here. And you can put any username in here, or this is the email address that will be used on this Google account. So let's say here. And we want to put our password. And then click next. And here they will ask for a phone number, but since we're going to skip this step, let's just click next. Oh, don't forget to put in your date of birth. Say this, then your gender, and then click next. Click I agree. Just wait for it to load because Google is already creating our Google account. And there you go. We were able to create our Google account or Gmail account without phone number. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.